Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today's tutorial is going to be just an eye look tutorial. I posted this eye look on my Instagram, I believe last week, and I got so many questions asking me how I got this look, so I decided it'd be a good idea to film it and just put it out here for you guys to watch and hopefully recreate. The entire look was done with this palette by Dose of Colors. This is the Desi and Katie Friendcation palette. I got this at Ulta, and it is just such a beautiful palette. Like, when I saw, first of all, the packaging on the outside, I thought, party. Like, it looks like a clutch. It's so pretty. And then the colors, oh my god. Like, the camera doesn't even do it justice. So, yeah, I just thought this would be a nice, fun party look. So if you want to know how I got this look, keep on watching. So to start this cut crease, I'm going to start working with this darkest brown. This is the color Sheens from the palette, and I'm just going to be picking it up with a MAC shader brush and just packing it on the lid without blending yet, almost in a rainbow or a U shape. So once the color is all packed on, I want to pick up this BH Cosmetics number 6 brush and start blending it in and just buffering out that color. Small coffee break, and then I'm going to pick up a Sigma brush and the color Churro, that nice beautiful brown, and start putting that color all over my crease just to really help blend out that dark brown, and it'll make for a nice smooth transition. And in between my makeup look, I'm just going to be using a makeup remover wipe just to crisp up those edges. I love doing this because it gives me a nice little guide the entire time I'm doing my makeup. So then just with another BH Cosmetics brush, I'm picking up this light color on the top row called Necessary and placing that on the brow bone and blending it in. This is the third brown I'm using and the last brown. So just blending it out, helping and making sure everything is crisp, and then back again with my wipe to help me start my cut crease. I love doing this because I don't have to work so hard with my concealer, and it just gives me a nice and brighter look. So then I just make sure that I'm patting that dry and that there's no leftover residue on my eyelids. And I'm just going to go in with my favorite concealer for a cut crease, which is by Tarte, the Shape Tape. It's so infamous, I'm sure you've heard of it. I speeded up the process for you guys on how I do my cut crease, but I'm making sure that I'm showing you guys all the steps. I did speed it up, but usually it takes me a couple of minutes to achieve the perfect cut crease because you really want to take your time so that you're getting a nice and crisp line and you're creating a nice shape for your eyes. I'm so lazy when it comes to washing my brushes, so you're going to see me using this number 9 brush from BH so many times. Right now I'm just going to dip into this color Basic, which is a nice pinky basic color, and I'm just going to be applying that on my inner eye. And then I go into this really light whitish beige color from my MAC palette and just pop that in my inner eye because I just needed something a little bit brighter for that inner part. So next I'm going to pick up the color Necessary from the palette. We're going to be using those same browns, but we're going to be doing them from light to dark to really create a nice smoky effect. So I'm just placing that on the center of my lid, and then we're just blending the entire way. Now once that's all blended, I'm going to be picking up the color Churro from the bottom row, and we're going to be just patting and blending it towards the center of the eyelid. So then I'm just picking up the darkest brown from the palette with the brush that comes with all of the Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes, and I'm placing that on the very outer corner of the eyelid and again blending. So to complete this look, I really needed a dark black, so I just used my Jaclyn and Morphe palette black, and I'm going to be placing that on the very outer corner to kind of give this look a little bit more depth and really smoke it out. So to create our first cut crease, I'm using this liquid eyeshadow by the brand Stila in the color Kitten. It's just this beautiful champagne color. I can't get enough of it. And I'm using a small pencil brush by Morphe. And I'm very carefully going above the colors that we have, but I'm still making sure some of that dark brown is still peeking through right above it. Then I'm picking up this Heavy Metal glitter liner by Urban Decay. This one is in the color Midnight Cowboy, and this is really going to make that liner that we just put on really pop. So now for our second part of the cut crease, I'm using this Carbon Black liner by L'Oreal, and I'm just going to go right under that line very carefully because if I mess up, there's really no going back. So I'm speeding up the process for you guys, but trust me, it took me a long time. So with that same liner, I'm just going to create a very thin wing line. Nothing too crazy, but just something so that when I pop on my falsies, they can rest on. And the falsies I'm wearing are by the brand Shop Eden Rose. So then I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Breezy highlight, which is just such a beautiful champagne color. It's not too pinky, not too silver. And I'm going to be highlighting under my brow bone, my inner corner, my nose, you guys know, the whole deal, my chin, my cupid's bow, and with a fluffy highlight brush right above my cheeks. So for the inner corner, I found some aluminum foil, tweezers, and lash glue. Yes, aluminum foil, you know your girl had to get creative. So I'm just applying a little bit of lash glue exactly where I wanted, and then I'm placing the aluminum foil, and then I'm just going to be repeating that process. Alright guys, so that is it for my makeup look, but really quickly I did want to talk about this inner eye foil. So I mentioned that last week's tutorial Instagram picture featured some gold foil, which I have here, and I would just want to mention and say that no, I have never heard that using foil on your eyes is safe. So I did try it out and I didn't get any reactions, so I did feel that it was okay to put this in video, but I highly recommend that you do the same, that you first test this out before putting it around your eye area. So last week's foil was brought to you by Modelo. So I had done my makeup last week and I just felt like it wasn't 100% complete. So I just took a break. I had dinner with Elvis. We had some tacos that night and we had a beer. And then that's when I thought, some gold foil. So yeah, so then this week of course is the aluminum foil because I thought it matched a little bit my outfit. So just wanted to put that out there before you guys go trying this at home. So this is my shirt because I want to show you guys. It's from Hot Miami Styles and it's just so pretty and perfect. It's such a party outfit. It's perfect for girls' night. So just wanted to show you guys that. It does come with a matching skirt, and I believe I got this for about 40 bucks, and they do still have it on their website. So if you're interested, go check that out. But yes, as always, you already know what I'm gonna say. Don't leave without subscribing, liking, and commenting down below. Until next time, I love you so much.